श्रीराम समर्थ श्रीराम. दशक दुसरा मूर्ख लक्षणांचा. समास तिसरा कुविद्या लक्षण.
Dashak 2 Signs of Fools. Chapter 3 Signs of Wrong Knowledge. Shri Ram.
ऐका कुविद्येची लक्षणे, अतिहीने कुलक्षणे, त्यागार्थ बोलिली ते श्रवणे, त्याग घडे.
Now please listen to the signs of wrong type of knowledge. They are really the most unworthy characteristics of person, and I am giving them here so that they should be renounced.
ऐका कुविद्येचा प्राणी, जन्मा येऊन केली हानी, सांगिजेल येही लक्षणी, ओळखावा.
Listen how a person with wrong type of knowledge behaves. He has taken birth but has wasted his life. You can recognize him by the signs which are being told.
कुविद्येचा प्राणी असे, तो कठीण निरूपणे त्रासे, अवगुणाची समृद्धी असे, म्हणूनिया दंभो दर्पोभिमानश्च, क्रोध पारुष्यमेव च, अज्ञानैचाभिजातस्य, पार्थ संपदमासुरीं.
Such a man gets fed up while listening to explanations of difficult subjects because he has many vices in his character. O Partha, the inborn demonic qualities of a person are conceit, insolence, pride, anger, gossip, and ignorance.
काम क्रोध मद मत्सर, लोभ दंभ तिरस्कार, गर्व ताठा अहंकार, द्वेष विषाद विकल्पी.
Such person is overly passionate. He shows lust, anger, pride, jealousy, greed, hypocrisy, spitefulness, boasting nature, egoism, malice, depression, and doubtfulness.
आशा ममता तृष्णा कल्पना, चिंता अहंता कामना भावना, असूया अविद्या ईषणा वासना, अतृप्ती लोलंगता.
Hope, possessiveness, hankering, imagination, worry, sense of ego, desire, emotions, envy, ignorance, aspiration, desire for physical pleasures, discontent, and impatience.
इच्छा वांछा चिकित्सा निंदा, अनित्य ग्रामणी मस्ती सदा, जाणीव अवज्ञा विपत्ती आपदा, दुर्वृत्ती दुर्वासना.
Desire, wish, criticism, slander, bad conduct, hooliganism, haughtiness, pride of knowledge, disobedience, difficulty, calamity, evil attitude, and evil thinking.
स्पर्धा खटपट आणि चटपट, तऱ्हे झटपट आणि वटवट, सदा खटखट आणि लटपट, परमवेथा कुविद्या.
Tendency to compete with others, overactivity, and anxiety which continues in the mind, queerness, haste, talkativeness, continuous harassment, using bad words, very acute pain, and black art. These are all bad signs.
कुरूप आणि कुलक्षण, अशक्त आणि दुर्जन, दरिद्री आणि कृपण, अतिशयेसी.
Such bad people look ugly even when they are not, and having bad signs, they are weak and wicked, penniless and misers to a degree.
आळसी आणि खादाड, दुर्बळ आणि लाताड, तुटक आणि लबाड, अतिशयेसी.
Lazy and gluttonous, weak but having a habit of kicking others, curt and cunning.
मूर्ख आणि तपीळ, वेडे आणि वाचाळ, लटिके आणि तोंडाळ, अतिशयेसी.
Such people are foolish and hot-tempered, stupid and talkative, falsifiers and quarrelsome.
नेणे आणि नायके, नये आणि नसिके, न करी आणि न देखे अभ्यास दृष्टी.
Such people are ignorant and do not listen to others. They do not know and they do not learn. They do not do anything and do not even study.
अज्ञान आणि अविश्वासी, छळवादी आणि दोषी, अभक्त आणि भक्तासी देखो सकेना.
They are ignorant and do not trust anybody. They harass others while they themselves are at fault. They are not devotees. They are even jealous of them.
पापी आणि निंदक, कष्टी आणि घातक, दुःखी आणि हिंसक अतिशयेसी.
Such bad person is a sinner. He condemns others. He is always worrying and dangerous. He is unhappy and very violent.
हीन आणि कृत्रिमी, रोगी आणि कुकर्मी, आचंगुल आणि अधर्मी, वासनारमे.
He is lowly, a fabricator. He is sick and commits wrong actions. He is narrow-minded, irreligious, and has sinful desires.
हीन देह आणि ताठा, अप्रमाण आणि फांटा, बाष्कळ आणि करंटा, विवेक सांगे.
Though he is very feeble in his body, he is boasting. He does not follow any moral standards and always thinks in a wrong way. He is unfortunately talkative and advises others about discretion.
लंडी आणि उन्मत्त, निकामी आणि डुल्लत, भ्याड आणि बोलत, पराक्रमू.
Such a man is robust in body and uncontrollable. He is useless but walks with a proud gait. He is coward but tells stories of valor.
कनिष्ठ आणि गर्विष्ठ, नुपरते आणि नष्ट, द्वेषी आणि भ्रष्ट अतिशयेसी.
He is insignificant but boastful. He has attachment and is dirty. He is a hater and very much degraded.
अभिमानी आणि निसंगळ, बोडग्रस्त आणि खळ, दंभिक आणि अनर्गळ अतिशयेसी.
Such a man has no shame but has pride. He is always in financial trouble and is an evil person. He is hypocrite and uncontrolled.
वोखटे आणि विकारी, खोटे आणि अनोपकारी, अवलक्षण आणि धिक्कारी प्राणिमात्रासी.
He is dirty and gives to various vices. He tells lies, does not help anybody, ugly and insulting to everybody.
अल्पमती आणि वादक, दीनरूप आणि भेदक, सूक्ष्म आणि त्रासक, कुशब्दे करुणी.
He has very little talent, but he argues. He himself has many faults, but looks for such faults in others. He is narrow-minded and hurts others by bad words.
कठीण वचनी, कर्कश वचनी, कापट्य वचनी, संदेह वचनी, दुःख वचनी, तीव्र वचनी, क्रूर निष्ठुर दुरात्मा.
His talk is generally harsh, hurtful, cunning, full of doubts, painful, sharp, cruel, evil in meaning, and he is hard-hearted.
न्यून वचनी, पैशून्य वचनी, अशुभ वचनी, अनित्य वचनी, द्वेष वचनी, अनृत्य वचनी, बाष्कळ वचनी, धिक्कारू.
His talk shows the defects of others or slander or otherwise immoral and malicious as well as untrue. His talk is ominous. He insults others and babbles irrelevantly.
कपटी, कुटिळ, गाठ्याळ, कुरटे, कुचर, नट्याळ, कोपी, कुधन, टवाळ अतिशयेसी.
He is a person who has evil schemes to deceive others. He is crooked-minded, instigator. His attitude is generally dishonest, sullen, and he is short-tempered. He earns money by foul means. and makes a jest of everybody.
तपिळ तामस अविचार, पापी अनर्थी अपस्मार, भूत संबंधी संचार, आंगी वसे.
He is both short-tempered and rash. There is no rationality in his behavior, and he easily commits sinful actions. He is a source of calamity to others. Ghosts and bad elements from astral plane possess him, and he may be having epileptic fits.
आत्महत्यारा, स्त्री हत्यारा, गोहत्यारा, ब्रह्महत्यारा, मातृहत्यारा, पितृहत्यारा, महापापी पतित.
He may often be very cruel to his wife. He may even kill her and commit suicide himself. He slays the cows and humans who are sacred. He may even kill his parents. So much degraded is such a man.
उणे कुपात्र कुतर्की, मित्रद्रोही विश्वासघातकी, कृतघ्न तल्पकी नारकी, अतित्याळी जल्पक.
He has many deficiencies, physical and mental. He's not worthy of any good things. No logic is found in his talk or actions. He's a traitor to his friends and the most treacherous fellow. He's not grateful. He goes to brothels. Such men are terrorists and often boast of their misdeeds. Really, they are destined to hell.
किंत भांडण झगडा कळहो, अधर्म अनरहाटी शोक संग्रहो, चाहाड वेसनी विग्रहो, निग्रह करता.
In his life are rampant doubts, fracas, tussles, quarrels, and disputes. He is not at all religious. He follows no tradition. He often slanders other people in their absence and is addicted to many intoxicants. He tries to bully everybody.
द्वाड आपेसी वोंगळ, चाळक चुंबक लच्चाळ, स्वार्थी अभिलाषी बोढाळ, आदत्त झोड आदखणा.
He is always doing some mischief. He has no success in his efforts. He is a flirt, very frugal and filthy in his appearance also. He is no doubt foolishly self-centered, goes beyond normalcy, has no sense of shame, and such people are easily tempted and become malicious.
शठ शुंभ कातरू, लंड तरुमुंड सिंतरू, बंड पाषांड तस्करू, अपहार करता.
Stupidity, cowardice, rudeness, interference, deceit, rebellion, theft, hearsay are his special vices. He tries to fool everybody.
धीट सैराट मुंकाट, चाट चावट वाजट, थोट उद्धट लंपट, बटवाद कुबुद्धी.
Such a man with wrong type of knowledge is very bold, unabashed, stupid, unrestrained, and naughty in his behavior. He babbles, he cheats, he is an arrogant rascal with devious thinking, and he is infatuated by opposite sex.
मारे करी वरपे करी, दरवडे करी खाणोरी, मैंद भोंदू परद्वारी, भुररे करी चेटकी.
Among his habits can be enlisted murder, snatching things, waylaying, robbery, dacosity, housebreaking, adultery, hypnotism, sorcery, and impersonation, and also deceiving.
निशंक निलाजिरा कळभंट, टौणपा लौंध धट उद्धट, ठस ठोंबस खट नट, जगभांड विकारी.
He does not hesitate or feel ashamed in doing any savage things. He often quarrels. He is intrepid, blockheaded, heartless, speaker of secrets of others. He is officious, naughty, preposterous, overly dramatic, and has great lust.
अधीर आळिका अनाचारी, अंध पंगू खोकले करी, खोटा बधिर दमे करी, तरी ताठा न संडी.
One can never expect good manners in him. He is greedy. Because of his sins, he may have very bad health. But even then, he never repents or gives up his sins.
विद्याहीन वैभवहीन, कुळहीन लक्ष्मीहीन, शक्तिहीन सामर्थ्यहीन, अदृष्टहीन भिकारी.
Such person is sometimes educated but evil. Mostly they are uneducated paupers. They have no support anywhere. They do not have support of their family. They have no friends. They are drifters, luckless, beggars, weak and shabby.
बळहीन कळाहीन, मुद्राहीन दीक्षाहीन, लक्षणहीन लावण्यहीन, आंगहीन विपारा.
They have neither strength nor any ability. They are virtueless and sometimes really frail.
युक्तिहीन बुद्धिहीन, आचारहीन विचारहीन, क्रियाहीन सत्वहीन, विवेकहीन संशयी.
It is but natural that they have no talent nor any art. They do not know any good conduct. They have no capacity for proper thinking, right action, purity. They are simply imprudent, and every now and then they keep doubting everything.
भक्तिहीन भावहीन, ज्ञानहीन वैराग्यहीन, शांतिहीन क्षमाहीन, सर्वहीन क्षुल्लकू.
Devotion, good sentiments, wisdom, readiness to give away things, peace, and kindness are never found in their character. They also have no useful possessions. They are really petty.
समयो नेणे प्रसंग नेणे, प्रयत्न नेणे अभ्यास नेणे, आर्जव नेणे मैत्री नेणे, काहीच नेणे अभागी.
Such a man does not know etiquettes, has no sense of proper time, when and what to do or what to speak. He does not make any right studies or efforts. He does not pay attention cordially, does not know any friendship, and is really an unfortunate, ignorant man.
असो ऐसे नाना विकार, कुलक्षणाचे कोठार, ऐसा कुविद्येचा नर, श्रोती ओळखावा.
Such a man is full of bad desires, a package full of vices and bad habits. And listeners must know these varieties of bad or wrong types of knowledge.
ऐसी कुविद्येची लक्षणे, ऐकोनी त्यागची करणे, अभिमाने तले भरणे, हे विहित नव्हे.
All these signs of evil and bad knowledge are given here in detail so that they should be given up. Surely it is of no use to be arrogant, imprudent, and wrongdoer.
इति श्री दासबोधे गुरु शिष्य संवादे कुविद्या लक्षण नाम समासतिसरा श्रीराम.
Thus, in the second dashak of Dasbodh, in the dialogue between the Guru and the disciple, this third chapter by name Signs of Wrong Knowledge is completed here. Shri Ram, Samartha Shri Ram.